In this tutorial we shall show you how to run the DebyeCalculator executable, which computes the solution scattering intensity of an atomic model, where the model is given as a PDB file. This executable is suitable for both CPU and GPU, and is using Debye formula. You run the software from the command line. The executable or exe file is in the installation folder of D+, under the subfolder bin, and is called DebyeCalculator.exe. To get started, type DebyeCalculator.exe --h. The "-h flag will print a help message which contains all the parameters required for using DebyeCalculator. The input is a PDB file, and the output is a text file that will contain the computed scattering intensity curve. The "-g flag defines whether you want to use your GPU or not. Here is an example. After the executable file name, we add the PDB file name, then the output file name, the mean solvent electron density in units of electron per nanometer cubed, and the Q range over which the computation will be performed in units of inverse nanometers. The Q range starts at 0.16 and ends at 3.8 in units of inverse nanometers. We also set the number of Q points within the selected Q range to be 800, and we press Enter. The calculation is completed within about 4 seconds. We will now compare the output of DebyeCalculator to the experimental scattering curve downloaded from SASBDB using the feature of our X Plus software signal series. You can see the comparison between the experimental curve, presented in black, and the DebyeCalculator output curve, presented in red.